Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Wow, what news came out today for us YouTube creators. And if you're now watching my video right now and you're interested in becoming a YouTuber, or a, I should change that to videographer, and putting that up on YouTube to make money, they've just made new changes, and they go into effect on the 20th of February. And this is what it says. Today we are announcing changes to the YouTube Partner Program, which is AdSense. And while the goal remains to keep the YouTube Partner Program open to as many channels as possible, we recognized we need more safeguards in place to protect creators' revenue across YouTube ecosystem. And what's changing is, under the new eligibility requirements announced today, your YouTube channel, in my case Dana Crosby, is no longer eligible for monetization because it doesn't meet the new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time within the past year and 1,000 subscribers. As a result, your channel will lose access to all monetization tools and features associated with the YouTube Partner Program on February 20th, unless you surpass the threshold in the next 30 days. According to this email, serves as a 30-day notice that your YouTube partner terms will be terminated. That means I can still put up videos, but I can't make any money on them. And if you want to make money, you're going to have to follow the new requirements. Where before, you could just start an AdSense account, put a video up, and start making money. Not any longer. You've got to have 4,000 watch hours per year. Well, in my case, I have 100,000 watch hours per month. But I am 200 subscribers short of the 1,000. So, subscribe. Appreciate it. So, that's where we're at. One of YouTube's core values is to provide anyone the opportunity to earn money while thriving on the channel. Creators who haven't yet reached this new threshold can continue to benefit from our Creator Academy, our Help Center, and all resources on the Creator site to grow their channels. Once your channel reaches the new threshold, it will be reviewed to make sure it adheres to our policies and guidelines, and if so, your monetization will be re-enabled. And that's like over a 30-day period. So the money I made from last month, I'll get on the 20th of this month, and it's continued for this month. Whatever I make this month, I'll get on the 20th of February. And then after the 20th of February, I will no longer make money. I'll make money from February and March. Unless, in my case, I need 200 more, actually 190 subscribers. Because right now, my channel averages 3 subscribers a day. So, for the sake of, you may have people who have got 1,000 subscribers, but they're not getting the minute watch time that's needed. So that's kind of the disadvantage. But if you've got 1,000 subscribers, you should be getting the 400 or the 4,000 watch hours. Because I don't have the 1,000 yet, but I get 45,000 views a month right now. So that was that's going to be a slight kick in the teeth as far as the budget's concerned. But I'll be back up. There's no, it's a matter of getting your video out there. And I don't pay to get it out there. I strictly use what YouTube lets us use, and I've got my Facebook account. So between those two, my Facebook account, I have three different pages that I have, and I've got several groups. So you could pay to have your channel put out there if you want, and then Facebook, of course, has their way of getting it out there if you want to pay them to get your videos out there. But I've not paid to put any of my videos out there. So, those are, if you want to get into it, that's ways to do it, by putting them on your Facebook and then boosting them. But it shows how far you can get. This is basically a over 3 year period, but the last two years is when it's really started to fire up. In fact, probably this last year of 2017 is probably what my biggest gain is. But I just do my videos, edit them, and then I go ahead and put them up, and you watch them. You find them in the depending on what category it is. You're gonna find them on the first page there. So you look for me anywhere on Google, and you'll find me there. But I believe it all comes down to being consistent in putting your videos up. That's kind of where you weigh the scale. I've got 100,000 view minutes a month, but I've only 800 subscribers at the time. So you got to weigh the scale between the two of them. I consistently put up at least one a day, and then but as far as my SEO is concerned, basically it just comes down to being consistent in what you put inside your narrative, and then your tag words. So anybody can do this. Now unfortunately it's going to be harder for anybody to do it, because you just can't put a video up, add AdSense, and then make money off of it. You've got the people out there who put up 50, 60 videos, and they got their million views on them, and hopefully they've gotten the subscribers to continue to pursue it. So, but it was a shock to me as to what's going on here. It doesn't change my persistence and consistency in putting up my videos. So they'll continue to go up, and eventually I'll get my 1,000 subscribers. And again, I want to come back and thank those subscribers now. You've gotten me to this point, and I thank you very much. Hopefully I'm putting out the content that helping you or entertain you, and I plan to continue to do that. and expand my playlist, doing other things. Right now, right in the middle of the winter, so we're kind of, I'm stuck in those winter videos, and issues going on with my current vehicle that I drive. But my drone videos, I gotta get going on that. I gotta get my license so I can do my drone videos. The wife just got a telescope for Christmas, so I'm hoping we're going to be able to see some planets, do some videos on that. I got a friend of mine that is a paranormal investigator, so I want to hopefully ride along with him on a couple of his investigations. That's in the works. And then of course, when summer comes, I want to do a little bit of traveling and do some history. Maybe hang out a little bit in the cemeteries. So anyway, again, thanks for watching. If you like the videos, click the DC. That'll subscribe you. And I look forward to making more videos and videography. That's a new definition these days when it comes to doing your taxes. There's actually a category. So anyway, we will catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.